So here we are down at Arden Station. We've just stepped off a test train and we've come to see how complete Arden is. So tell us about it, Jim. Where are we at?
We're standing down on the B2 platform level at Arden, Nicole, and as you can currently see, the paving is all exposed, the tactiles are down, all the architectural features are up. We have our drum light here and all the lighting's on. So we've got a little bit more work to go, but as you walk down and you see, it looks like it's a complete station.
So this is one of 5 new underground stations for the Metro Tunnel project, and this one is the most complete. What are we using this station for in the interim until we get the other ones up and running?
It's a good question, Nicole. So at the start, it was really getting into, say, the construction. So learning, for instance, how to put up architectural features. So for instance, these drum lights here, they're locally manufactured. We had a period where we had to go through a sample review. We had architects look at them, we looked at the lighting ourselves, and then we went through the process of ordering them locally and we installed them. Through the installation, we realised they're quite big, they're cumbersome, it's a little bit slow. As we got one up, the next shift we'd get 2, and then we'd go 3, 4. So the efficiencies in doing small elements like construction, you'll get here. And then when you go to the next station, that team will go down there, and instead of putting 1 up, they'll be able to put 5 up per shift. So there's some real learnings in construction.
So the stations are consistent in their finishes across the Metro Tunnel project?
Yeah, typically there's slight variances between the box stations and the CBD. Some of the architectural elements are slightly different. The systems themselves are very similar. There's only a small 5 to 10% difference. So what you see here and the systems that are operating here pretty much go line-wide across the other 4.
Well, it's great to see the lights on and the system starting to run and the escalators in. So much has been done down here. You must be really proud of it.
I mean, you walk down here, you can see it is now with the lights on and the PID screens and the train sitting there. A lot of hard work, but when you finish something like this that's not easy, technically challenging, it's good to see the product.
So now we're at the entrance to Arden Station with these amazing landmark arches, all brick lined. They look absolutely fantastic. So tell us, what can we see here, Jim?
So it's a pretty impressive area as you walk up here, and you've got the main stairs, you've got all the drop-off areas. So in terms of, you know, an entry to a station, it's pretty spectacular.
The finishes here set us up well for completing those other stations to a similar standard. So thank you to you and thank you to the team. It's a fantastic job and one that you must be really proud of to have worked on.
Thanks, Nicole. Thanks for having me.